Mercury, Mercury is tiny and speedy too. Closest to the sun, with skies so blue. It has no air, just rocks and light. It zooms around both day and night. Venus is bright and full of heat, with clouds of gas and no cool breeze. It spins so slow, both night and day, a glowing star that lights the way. Earth is special, our home so dear, with oceans deep and skies so clear. We breathe its air and feel its ground, with life and beauty all around. Mars is red, with canyons wide. Robots explore its rocky side. It might hold life one distant day, as astronauts prepare to stay. Jupiter's huge, a planet king, with swirling storms and lightning rings. Its big red spot is full of might. It shines like a beacon in the night. Saturn wears its rings with pride. They spin like halos side by side, made of ice and tiny stone. It's the prettiest planet ever known. Uranus spins on its side, so cool. It's icy blue and never rules, with rings so faint and moons that glide. It's a quiet world where secrets hide. Neptune's blue and far away, with stormy winds that race and play. Its dark blue clouds move fast and free, a frozen giant in the sea.